Hello everyone, myself Shashank and I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and my USN is 1VE23CS156, and today's topic is corrosion and types of corrosion. Now let us discuss about corrosion and its controls. Corrosion and its control. Mechanism of dry and wet corrosion. Type of electrochemical corrosion. Differential aeration corrosion, galvanic corrosion, pitting corrosion, waterline corrosion. Factor in influences corrosion. Protecting from corrosion. Corrosion has been defined as destructive chemical and electrochemical reactions of a metal with its environment like O2, moisture, CO2, etc., which causes loss of useful properties such as malleability, ductility, electroconductivity, and optical refractivity. Expect few metals such as gold, platinum are prone to corrosion. Typical example for corrosion: rusting of iron due to the formation of hydroferrous oxide. Factor influencing corrosion. Corrosion is enhanced by the presence of impurities, air and moisture, electrolytes, states in metals like dust, scratches, etc. Mechanism of causes of corrosion. Metals are electropositive in nature. Expect few metals like gold, platinum. Other metals are found in nature as they compound as oxides, hydroxide, etc., which are called as the ores. Metals are obtained by extracting from their ores by reduction process. In nature, where metals exist as their components, they are stable in their lower energy states. However, during extraction of metals from their ores, free metals are become less stable and are in high energy state than in the ionic state. Reaction mineral or ore Mn plus give rise to extraction by reduction. Metal corrosion give rise to corrosion product Mn plus. Now let us discuss about type of corrosion: dry or chemical corrosion, wet or electrochemical corrosion. Chemical or dry corrosion. It involves direct chemical act of atmosphere gas like CO2, O2, H2S, SO2, halogen, moisture, and inorganic acid evaporates on metals. Example: tarnishing of a silver ware in H2S lead and air. Electrochemical or wet corrosion. It occupies dust to setting up a large number of tiny galvanic cells metals in presence of an impurities as well as in presence of moisture. Galvanic generally impurities act as anode and original method metals act as cathode. So anode is the area where corrosion occupies. Example: rusting of iron in moist atmosphere or chemical corrosion occurs due to direct chemical reaction of atmosphere gas due to molten method in contact with metal surface. Types: oxidation corrosion, corrosion by gas, liquid method corrosion. Type of dry corrosion. Oxidation corrosion occurs due to the direct chemical reaction of ATM-O2 with metal surface formed metal oxide. Absence of moisture. increases with increasing in temperature. Mechanism. On exposed to temperature, metals get oxide to form metal ion. M give rise to M plus N plus Ne minus. Electron loses by metal are take up by oxygen to form ion. 1 by 2 O2 plus 2 electron give rise to 2M plus N by 2 O2 give rise to 2M plus N plus NO2 give rise to M2ON. Occurs when a metal is contact with a moisture, air or an liquid method. When two metals are practically are immersed in solution. Chemically non-uniform surface of metal behind like electrochemical cell in the presence of water containing dissolved O2 and CO2 always occurs at anode area. Mechanism. Involved oxidation reduction process. Depending on nature of corrosion environment, electrons releases at anode are consumed at the cathode area by two ways. Evolution of H2, absorption of O2. Difference between dry corrosion and wet corrosion. In dry corrosion occurs in the absence of moisture. Wet corrosion occurs in the presence of conduction medium. Dry corrosion involves direct attack on the chemical on the metal surface. Wet corrosion involves formation of electrochemical cells. Slow in process, rapid in process. Process of corrosion is uniform. In wet corrosion, depend on the size of the anode part of the metal. In dry corrosion, corrosion produces are the site of corrosion. In wet corrosion, corrosion occupies at anode but rust is deposited at cathode. Thank you.